Okay, hi traders. Here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another best strategy video. Yes, how to trade the best strategies of those kind of scammers who are promoting this kind of strategies. And yes, and based on this, I'm doing now this kind of videos, but my trades are based not on those indicators which they are telling. They are based on the price action of those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So I have set already the time interval to 15, the time frame to 15 seconds, yet because of the previous video which I already have done, and now we are going to set up the indicators. I will remove my ones, and then I will set up here the 7. And this indicator setting are so random, yes, that that already alone is a scam, yes, that are so random that are nothing else than the rainbow ones, yes, and only that only that they have changed the colors and the values by 1 or 2. So look at this. We have the 18, we have instead the 26, we have the 25, yes, and that is the same setup like the rainbow, yes, and then we have the awesome oscillator, and here especially instead of 34 we have the 35, and instead the 5 we have the 4. This didn't change anything, that changed nothing, yes, and that is the ridiculous part on it. So okay, let me see how does this work. Like the rainbow strategy is working, that means if price is going to cross those 2 red lines, yes, and the oscillator is changing from positive to negative, yes, or negative to positive, we enter into a 4-minute trade, yes, and yes, and that's it. Okay, I will do a call here, a 5-minute call, because we are far away from the 18 and the 25 EMA, and price is ranging, you see here, price is ranging around those EMAs. That means we are here really far away from this from those EMAs, and that means that price will reverse from this level, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call. So let's see what's happening. 1 second, I have to do a phone call. Okay, sorry. Yes, let me show you the difference to show you why this strategy is completely scam. If I will put on another awesome oscillator with the default settings, you see the difference. You see the difference between those kind of oscillator. This one here below, yes, is the original settings, yes, and that one here above are this one of this indicator, which is from the strategy. And that is a clear sign, yes, that this is a pure scam, because you don't need to change them. They are exactly the same, yes. They are exactly the same, yes. So this strategy is it's the same. I would say, if I would say, sorry, if I would say change the oscillator from 34 and 5 to 30 and 7. Yes, it's the same thing. I could do another video about this. I could tell you again, yes, that this kind of yes, that you have to do this, yes. And already I had another video with a new strategy with identical stuff. That is the same if I would say, for example, we have here the 25 EMA. The rainbow strategy is based on the 26. That is also only a random number. If I would like to do this, I could do every day a new strategy based on different indicators over and over again. That means I could say, instead of the 7 WMA, I will do the 7 SMA, the 9 SMA, the 8 EMA. I can change them how I want, yes, because those indicators, yes, are so flexible that you can use really everything an indicator, yes. And so you could do every time a new video, yes, and that the strategy would not get better, yes, because at the end it's only based on indicators. So okay, I would like to do you some more of those trades, yes, but the problem here is that yes, to be honest, I'm not willing to wait here another 4 minutes for another trade, but at the end, you know how I do my trades based on price action. Okay, let me do another trade, as it would be a little bit. Let me do here 4 minutes, and I will do another call, because I'm sure that price will continue to going up, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call here. So we are getting here upwards. That means we are getting in the change of the trend. That means on the next few candles, because we have the 15-second check, we are getting here to the zero baseline, and after this zero baseline, we are changing and going up. Yes, that is how this works. Yes, but this is easy to understand if you understand price action. Yes, if you understand price action, you don't need those kind of things here. Yes, because your entry point should be not based on indicators; they should be on price action. And because I saw this downtrend, I know that price will reverse at least to the 50% level, or maybe higher, depending what the trend is telling me. And here the trend is telling me that we are going here in an uptrend. So let's see what's going. As you see, price is going up, and I am sure that this will be also in the money. Yes, only based on this, and everybody would say, oh wow, that's what the cool indicator. Yes, if this is crossing with this, then you do call. Yes, it's right, you can do this, but you have to understand the market condition, and that is what those ones are not telling you. Yes, that you think they can work all the time. No, they do not work all the time. You can improve this kind of strategy by using the 1 minute time frame and doing your analysis on the 1 minute time frame and seeing the trend channel which happens there, and or to do like me candlestick math. And if you do candlestick math, you can calculate. You see here a nice double top here, downtrend, and now a double bottom here, yes, uptrend, and that is what's about. So, but here I see we have here low volume market. That is not so funny, but like I have explained, you see here price is going up above the zero line, yes, and then we are getting here into an uptrend, and that is what I have done here, yes. This is what the awesome oscillator is about, but don't get tricked by the settings of the indicator. That is what I got so often, the questions. What indicator are you using? What settings are you using? That is what scammers are about, because there is no you can use them, yes, but I would use them on default setting, yes. And if somebody is telling you that the 21 is working better than the 20 setting, that is pure scam, yes, because at the end there is no difference between 21, 22, 23 and so on, yes. The indicator are only telling something, and you have to understand this universal language, and for this reason that is all scam, and mostly those users who are trading this kind of strategies, who are not experienced, who think that binary option trading is easy, that binary option trading is only pushing a button and waiting for the indicator to align. No, it's not that. It's more complicated. You have to understand price action, and you have to understand market condition, and you have to understand the trend. So look at this, how critical this will be, yes. But this kind of movement here, yes, protected me, yes, because this two EMAs, that is nothing else than the 18 and the 25, yes, protect my bet, and that was the reason why I got this in the money. So okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye. And if you have some more strategies which you want to have discussed, I will say, so drop the line in the comment section. I will watch this strategies, and I will explain you how to trade them and what is the particular part of this and why most of those strategies are scams. So okay, that was it. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.